Welcome back to my channel, guys, and welcome back to another episode of Cruising with Goldy. Guys, in today's episode I'm going to tell you how exactly is the Cordelia Cruise's budget room look like. So I have taken a budget room. In my room there is no window, nothing. It's just a cabin for 2 people. So come quickly, I'll show it to you. So by the way, this is the key. There's no physical key. This is the key. This is a physical key, like a normal key we get. So this is what we got, and it has the access like this. You put it over here, you remove, and this is the cabin. So once you enter, this is the light. You can switch it on. It's very dark, I don't know why. And come inside to my room. All right, so quickly I'll show it to you. You see here a dressing table. Okay, you get some drawers over here. All right, so this is the table supposed to be here. Okay, this is what matters the most, the bed. So this is the bed, this is the painting. You get 2 lamps. Okay, here if you come inside, you get TV. I haven't watched it because I'm here to make videos, so I don't have time to watch TV. So I'll show it to you. How's the washroom look like? Let there be a light. Okay, now washroom. This is the normal onboard. You can see this. You get glass over here and wash basin. And this is where we take a bath. Very small cabin, guys. Very small but comfortable. Good for 1 day, 2 days. I don't know much. I don't want actually much. And you also get this wardrobe. This is what the wardrobe look like. Small. And here you get your life jackets. And you also have a phone where you can call up the reception. So this was the very small video about the cabin which I am staying. So I will see you in my next video. So please subscribe to my channel and wait for another video. Bye.